Can you tell me about snakes?
Okay, so snakes are wild, but they can really bite. But some snakes are not wild. Some snakes don't bite.
Really?
And bats. But hey, I'm a bad snake. I'm from the wild, but I can hurt you.
Oh my goodness.
But he has a tongue. His tongue makes everyone bite.
Ah!
He can bite. He's from the wild.
He's from the wild?
He's in the forest. But Paul was in the forest too, like all the animals, like all the dangerous animals. But Paul protects himself. Paul can bam, 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 and I can steal the snakes and the bills away.
Yeah.
Yeah, but elephants don't hold you. Elephants always play ball with you, then you can laugh and jiggle.